Hi, and welcome to Market Conversations. Today is January 17th, and I'm going to be talking about a stock that you should keep on your watch list. This is not a penny stock, but this stock has a lot of potential. But before we get started, I just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor, and this is just for entertainment purposes only. If you found any value in this video at the end, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It would help my channel out greatly. I am just a new YouTuber trying to make it in the finance sector on YouTube. Okay, let's get started. Stock is Hyliion. Ticker symbol is HYLN. Sain, the most popular YouTuber right now, also recommends this stock at this price. I bought this when it was around $30 range. I had to average down. So my average right now is at $24.73. I have 260 shares and I'm not getting rid of those shares at all. I strongly believe in this company. I've been adding to my position to lower my average cost, but you guys, the people who have not gone into Hyliion, this is actually a good price to get into. So I'm looking at the 6 months daily charts. We did see that it went all the way to 58.66. Went up too fast and then came crashing down. And it got to a low of $15.26. And we look, it has just been consolidating for over a month now. And I do believe once we can break this resistance of $18, which it tried a few times already, but it couldn't, it will continue to go higher. And then our next resistance is at $20. I mean, the good thing is that it hasn't broken down below 15.21. So I do see this as a very strong support of 15.50. I mean, the stock trading at 16.43. People who are planning to get in, they can always start a small position and either averaged up or average down. You don't want to put all your money into one stock right away. I used to do that in the beginning and I would lose a lot of money because the stock would go up and then fall right back down, because as we see here in this example, the 58.66, if people have gone in at $50 and it easily went to 15.61 a few months later. I think a lot of people have lost when it was here because people had FOMO. If you look, this company just merged back in August, and all of a sudden you see this pump, and then it crashed. I've seen this with a lot of other stocks too, but this is actually the true value of where it should be at, around the $15 to $16 range. Yes, it could go lower if there are bad news, but there was bad news before about the warrants, redemptions. So I'll go ahead and share that news with you guys. But on Tuesday, I'm planning to add about maybe 10 shares. I try to add 10 shares here, 10 shares there. This is one of the news. It was in October last year. It says Hyliion, a leader in electrified powertrain solutions for Class 8 commercial vehicles and American Natural Gas, is an industry-leading alternative fuel provider. They had announced a partnership agreement that offers Hyliion customers discounted pricing for renewable natural gas at ANG fueling stations across the country. It says Hyliion and ANG also enter into a sales agreement that includes a pre-order of up to 250 hybrid truck ERX vehicles, allowing for easy availability of Hyliion's fully electric powertrain to ANG and its fleet customers. The CEO stated, "A robust and highly scalable infrastructure is critical to the adoption of our electrified solutions. That's why we're working with ANG to reduce costs and enable us to offer our customers refueling stations where they are needed." So just recently, this was the announcement results of redemption of public warrants. So they had issued warrants back in December, which had caused the stock to drop. So it says approximately $142 million in cash proceeds received upon exercise of public warrants for approximately 12.5 million shares of common stock over 98.5% of the public warrants exercised prior to expiration dates. The CEO again, Thomas Healy, said, "The successful exercise of these warrants and resulting capital raised allows Hyliion to accelerate its investment in technology, talent, and infrastructure towards achieving the company's mission. The incremental capital allows us to pursue additional partnerships and M&A activity that we may not have considered previously." He also stated, "We see a tremendous number of opportunities in the transportation sector that are ready to participate in this electrification transformation. Over the next year, we will explore additional technologies and business synergies that could range from improving our existing solutions, renewable natural gas expansion, hydrogen development, improved battery solutions, expanding our product portfolio, and more." Guys, it takes time before you can see results from a company, but that doesn't mean a company is bad if they're not producing results as fast as other companies. An article said, "This dip gives you the perfect opportunity to buy Hyliion stock." It says, "What differentiates Hyliion from other electric vehicle contenders is the company's proprietary intelligent electric powertrain. Hyliion's powertrains use machine learning algorithms to optimize their emissions performance and efficiencies. Hyliion's powertrains could have a transformative impact on the electric trucking industry." Healy is confident that the market for Hyliion's powertrain systems is ready and waiting. "We are experiencing strong interest for our solutions and are utilizing our resources to develop a scaled infrastructure that will be able to support demand from this $800 billion market." This is definitely a stock to keep on your watch list. If it dips even more, you should not worry. This company has a lot of potential. If you're thinking about options, they do have options. And if you're thinking about buying 100 shares of Hyliion, which only requires you to have enough money to buy 100 shares, you can also do that as well and collect a small premium. With Hyliion, I do see it going to at least $26 by the end of this year. That is my price target for this year. Let me know what you guys think, and if you guys have a price target as well, if you're already invested in this, and if you're bullish on the stock. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks again.